Gaano kahalaga yung ginagawa nating trials and researches sa iba't ibang varieties ng soybeans? Alam niyo, ang soybeans kasi, ito yung pinaka-importanting ingredients ng poultry feeds, hog feeds, animal feeds. Hindi lang yan. Importante rin itong pagkain. No? Sapagkat ito yung ginagawang soya milk and so on and so forth. No? The research that we're doing right now is very important. I'll just show you how and why. Ito yung butil ng old soybeans variety natin. Ito yung tinatawag nating Manchuria White. Galing po ito sa Caraga region. And I would suspect that based on the name, this actually came from Manchuria. Siguro propagated by our local farmers for decades. So mapapansin nyo, maliliit yung butil niya. Now, this one here is a new variety which we are propagating right now. Ito yung Canadian soybeans. So, kung ikumpara ninyo, makikita nyo sa aking palad, ito yung sa kanan ko is the Canadian soybeans, yung sa kaliwa is the Manchuria White. So, you can see the difference. Malaking bagay ito sapagkat kapag malalaki ang butil, siyempre, mas mabigat sa timbangan. And not only that, ang malaking butil would have more nutrients than the small beans. So, ganito po ka-importante yan, and that's the reason why right now, we are propagating 5 different soybeans varieties which we were able to acquire from abroad. 2 Indian varieties, 2 US varieties, and now the Canadian variety. Gusto ko lang maintindihan nyo. Researches and trials should never stop. It is the essence of farming.